Parameterization. How to program or reprogram without cycling power. Step 1. Turn key switch to run.
Pump 4 times. 1, 2,
3, 4. Toggle to program. Run. Program. Step 2. Wait for a flashing P to be shown on the detector light curtain, and press the function button 3 times.
1, 2,
3. A solid P will be shown on the display, indicating the system is ready to be programmed. Step 3. Press the function button to cycle through each parameter. The number of the selected parameter will be shown on the display. When the last parameter, 9, is reached, the cycle will continue from the parameter 1. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will be using parameter 4 fully monitored blinking, configuration 03 teach 100% max beams.
1, 2, 3,
4. Step 4. Hold the function button to maintain the current parameter selection, and toggle the key switch to change the configuration options. Here, we start at default configuration 00 and toggle to configuration 01, toggle to 02, again to 03, again to 00, and again to return to 01. For this demonstration, we will be selecting parameter 4, configuration 03. Step 5. Release the function button, then turn the key switch to run to save the configuration. The light curtain will restart with the new parameter configurations. If you have any more questions, please call us at 1-800-586-8324, option 2.